Everybody here, sir.
Yeah.
I can't hear y'all.
Yeah.
I still can't hear y'all. Yeah. I want people in Beijing, China to hear every time I answer a question. I want y'all to say yeah. Now, are we ready to go fuck up Kingston County? Yeah. What are we gonna do to Kingston County?
All right. And we are off. These first few blocks are usually really crazy because people are trying to, well, they're stunting, but they're also trying to gather up with their friends as well. Uh-oh. First crash of the day. Well, that's not really a crash. That was just a fall over. It's kind of nuts. If I were that black scooter, I would not be riding this close to the mini bike guy. Hi. Get it? Good. Thank you.
Living, smiling. I told you I'd see you. I know, you can absolutely.
I don't even know if you can hear me talking because it's so loud. I did remember to put in my earplugs though this time. Oh, there were people on the bottom. This guy's custom ruckus is really cool. I know every year there are people who live in this area that complain. And I don't blame them. We're loud, we're breaking the rules, we're disrupting traffic. But I think the majority of people recognize that we're just having fun. I have noticed though that as this ride gets older, even the more chaotic riders have learned to look before they turn, to signal. The skill level and responsibility of the riders they're getting a little better. And I think that just comes from experience, from riding this, doing this ride every year. As everybody stopped. I think some people stopped to block traffic and other people just stopped right behind them. A little bit of chaos. Of course, the dirt bikers are just going through the dirt. Because that's what you do when you have a dirt bike. And I've said this before on other videos. I know that some people I know get actually downright angry about this ride because of the chaos. Because, you know, not all the riders are the safest riders in the world. But this is their ride. And if I don't want to experience that chaos, I won't go on it. Obviously, I do want to experience the chaos, so. I did talk about how I don't understand why we needed a gas stop coming immediately off the ferry, but I know that some of these bikes have very tiny gas tanks, so they have to constantly fuel up. Here we go. Seems like the police are chastising them for standing in the road. Here it comes through downtown Poulsbo. Okay, we're out of downtown Poulsbo. That blue Grom does not have the best of control. He's all over the place. So we are, I think we are entering Silverdale. And we're going to make a right. God, this poor lady. She's so confused. Some awesome scenery, but because we're kind of bunched up together, I pay more attention to the bikes around me. No pictures of the bridge.